Hi, my name is Gregory Quinn and I'm a Senior Design Engineer at Pinter. At Pinter, we are revolutionizing fresh beer at home with our innovative all-in-one brewing system. The Pinter brings award-winning fresh beer into the home and takes the complexity out of brewing. RSP are manufacturing the Active Pour Tap from the Pinter brewing system. The Active Pour Tap is a complex product featuring moving parts, springs, seals, precision tolerances, sophisticated assembly, and high-quality surface finishes with lots of different food-grade materials. RSP bid for the job and Pinter was impressed with their competence, communication, and value offering. The Active Pour Tap is the most complex product we have developed or manufactured, and we needed a partner who was able to navigate this journey with us, and this is exactly what RSP have done. One of the concerns before working with RSP was communication and language barriers, but the team in China speak excellent English, are great communicators and very fast to respond to meet our requirements. Evan has been our main contact in China and he's been fantastic. He's very quick to respond to our concerns or issues and is also keen to solve problems quickly such that they do not reoccur. Paul in the US is a very level-headed partner to work with and very generous with helpful suggestions and ideas for problem solving. I've been most impressed by RSP's work ethic and design sensitivity. They always understand, are sympathetic to our design and engineering constraints. We've been particularly impressed with the smart solutions RSP has developed for the assembly of our product, such as custom jigs and fixtures. It's clear they have a lot of experience in manufacturing and assembly of complex products. We would happily recommend RSP to others.